Hi, so here we are and we're going to make the Opalite loop earrings from your subscription box. So we're going to get the components out of the bag. Got a bag with some wire in and your findings. In there we've got 2 lengths of 19 strand wire. This is 0.46mm wire. And we've got 2 crimp tubes. They're size 3 crimp tubes, and 2 crimp covers and 2 sterling silver ear wires. And then in the beads, all the beads you require to make these earrings. Some flat opalite teardrops, some crystal rondels, and some check glass bicone beads. So we're going to pick up one bit of your wire, going to thread on the pattern, which is a purple rondel, a bicone, a teardrop, bicone, and a rondel. So you've got them like so. Then you're going to pick up one of your crimp beads. So you've got it like so. Crimp beads. And thread both pieces of wire through there. And take the tube down. It's going to be about an inch long, this loop. So keep that in mind. And then with one of your wires, you're going to loop that back down through the crimp tube. So you're going to have three bits of wire going through. Pull that through until we've got a loop about that size. That's why it's important that you've got a size 3 crimp tube, because you need 3 bits of this wire to go through. Then take your chain nose pliers and firmly squash down on the crimp tube. And you can just give it a little bit of a pull with your nail, check it's not moving anywhere. And then pick up your flush cutters and you can cut off right up close those excess lines of thread we've got. This is why really good cutters are nice as well, like so. And then we're going to cover that crimp up with one of our crimp covers. So putting the crimp tube inside the crimp, making sure the wires are down in that dip. Pick up your chain nose, push the crimp cover so it's nearly shut. There's been a bit of a gap at the top. Then ease it together from the top with your tool, like so. Okay. And then we just attach the ear wire. So you've got the back of the crimp cover there, so you have that at the back of the earring. You can see the faint thing there. Open up your ear wire loop. So just gripping that with your thumb and finger, just open the loop slightly with your chain nose plier. Hook that loop through there. And then push it back together, like so. You've created your first earring. And then do the same with the second one.